Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart TCL 605. Alright, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using our power menu. To do it, we need to launch the power menu first, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart button, then your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and it will be ready to use. But we also have the second method called the force restart, and this method is recommended. For example, when the phone is lagged, it's not working properly, in that kind of situations. So to do it, we need to hold the power button for at least 8 seconds to force restart this device. So keep holding power button. Okay, and when the phone vibrates, we can raise our finger. You can see now that the TCL logo appeared, and within a second, the device will be turned on and ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.